हेलो चिल्ड्रन। आज हम क्लास 8 का पहला चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड। क्या नाम है? द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बिफोर यू रीड, there are some dates or periods of time in the history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. The story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war it was? Do you know which events the dates below refer to? A. 4th July 1776. B. 17 December 1903. C. 6 August 1945. D. 13th January 1948. E. 12th April 1961. F. 20 July 1969. The answers are on page 23. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridgeport. A roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scorched marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the shaft of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath, a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box, cello taped to the top of it was a piece of lined newspaper, and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me. When the time comes, I knew, as I did it, that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The Address, read. Mrs. Jill McPherson. 12. Copper, Beesett, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1914। आप सभी इसे बार बार रिवाइज करेंगे। गुड बाय।